What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on SOFI ticker. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive for the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very top, and I've told you that we have to form our fourth wave. And let me show you that from this top, from this highest point on November 11th, we have this massive movement to the downside. And usually this retracement should have a shape of simple zigzag, and right here we had our A wave. This quite small wave was our B wave, and we have to form our C wave. And we have to have 5-wave structure inside our C wave. And for those of you who follow my channel, you know that we couldn't count the 5-wave structure in this wave to this bottom. And that's why I made an assumption that we have to form our fourth wave, and we have to have one more leg to the downside to form our fifth wave, internal fifth wave, to form our C wave. And it happened. As you can see, this is how powerful technical analysis is. And I also told you that your main accumulation point might be right here at this range. And as you can see, for now we are exactly at this range, and you can start to accumulate your position, or you can add to your position right here even more, because this range of about $15 is a very good range for long-term investment. So, and let's continue with the company profile. Social Finance, a finance company, operates an online platform that provides financial services. It offers student loan refinancing, private student loans, personal loans, auto loan refinance, home loans, mortgage loans, and investments, as well as insurance products for renters, homeowners, automobiles, and others. And for now, this company has a total market cap of $12.11 billion. They have a revenue of $867.87 million, with a very good revenue growth of 89.37%. They have negative net income of $455.54 million, but financially this company is quite stable. And I have to say that the major news that might drive the price of this company higher should take place by the end of this year, one of them, and it is basically the bank charter. And next one will be right after the New Year party in February, and this will be the Super Bowl. So two major news is still in our schedule, and these levels, our current levels, I mean, is a very good levels where we can accumulate or add our position. So, and let me show you why we have the recent movement to the downside. And we are on Seeking Alpha, and this article was published on December the 9th, and it's titled, "Why did SOFI stock fall today? Fintech weakness, potential for new regulation." And let me quote you these bullets. SOFI Technologies stock dropped 7.6% in trading on Thursday, following the path of other high-profile newly public fintech names. Tech names that had shot up soon when they went public have all seen declines in the past 2 months. Fintech stocks overall have languished over the past several weeks, as seen when comparing the Global X Fintech's thematic ETF with the S&P 500. Also, regulatory scrutiny appears to be increasing. For example, recent comments from FINRA and SEC suggest that the agencies may seek to limit brokerages' ability to promote options trading to retail investors. And this is one of the main reasons, in my opinion, why we have this decrease in price from this point, from $17 all the way down to $15. Next one. SOFI was also tangentially involved in a New York case where the New York judge declined to approve Renren's settlement with shareholders who alleged Ren insiders took the company's portfolio for themselves in 2018. The portfolio included a large stake in SOFI. And let me show you why the potential limit of brokerage's ability to promote options trading might be a negative sign for the company. And let me show you this. Restrictions on the ability of brokerages to promote options trading could significantly reduce the payments for order flow the brokerages receive, because payments for order flow are far higher for options than for equities. A 2020 analysis of SEC filings by Piper Sandler found that Robinhood makes the most from payment for order flow, receiving $0.17 per 100 equity shares and $0.58 per 100 options. So basically 3.4 times higher payments for order flow for options. Schwab receives $0.11 per 100 equity shares and $0.37 per 100 options, while E-Trade receives $0.15 per 100 equity shares and $0.46 per 100 options. So, as you can see, all of these brokerages that use payments for order flow might be hit by this regulations rule. And in my opinion, SOFI stock might be the least affected by this rule, because their main business for now definitely is not the brokerage itself, but it is student loans refinancing. And that's why, in my opinion, we have this decrease in price, and in my opinion, it might end anytime soon, and we might have a trend reversal. And let me show you that we still have a very good forecast from TipRanks. We still have 7 ratings, and 5 of them suggest to buy this stock, 2 to hold, and 0 to sell. And the price targets are still the same, $19 at the lower end and $30 at the high end of this range. And all of these ranges are above our current price of $15, even to our lower price point. And as you can see, it is confluence with our B, with the top of our B wave. Even to this point, from our current level, we might have about 27% of potential profits. So, on top of that, let me show you the list of institutional investors in this company. And we still have new filings that was made recently at the beginning of December. And I have to say it is quite big positions, almost $13 million, and one company added its position to $3.1 million and $500,000 with the Razak's company. So we still have a huge green list of the recent buys, and you have to remember that these buys was made from 45 to up to maybe 90 days prior to our current date. And this shows just the sentiment around the SOFI company and the belief from the institutional investors in this company. On top of that, let me show you this chart. And as you can see, it is the ownership from institutional investors on different months related to the price of this company. And as you can see, on December 2021, we have huge increase in ownership, while we had this, as you can see, blue line moves down, and we have increase in ownership from institutional investors. This means it is a very good sign that you can rely on this company as your long-term investment. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, basically we already hit this range of support that I marked several weeks ago, and I've told you that we might have a double bottom pattern, and for now we hit exactly the same range, and from this point we have about 40 to 50% probability to move higher from this point. And we also have a decent probability to hit lower targets. This means if you want to enter the position for the long term, if you want to invest in this company, you can accumulate your position from this range and even lower, because every daily red candle might give you a very good chance to enter your position and to ladder your buys down in order to achieve more attractive average price. But if you want to catch the trade, in my opinion, it is not the best point where you can catch short-term trade, because we don't have confirmation yet that we might have a trend reversal, and the confirmation will be consistently higher lows and higher highs. So if we will have some kind of movement to the upside with these waves, something like this, in this case, we will have more confirmation that we might go even higher, because we might start to form our 5 waves structure. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you want to invest in this company, just invest, and in the next several months you will have huge profits with your position. And if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!